Okay, starting with question number 3.6 of solved numericals. Calculate the energy radiated in 1 minute. So we need to calculate Q, that is the amount of energy radiated by a black body. Okay, in 1 minute. So the time is 1 minute, which is nothing but 60 seconds. Of surface area of the black body is given, that is 200 centimeters square. So that is nothing but 200 into, since it is centimeter square, so 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter square. At temperature is also mentioned, that is 127 degrees Celsius. If we convert it into Kelvin, it will be 127 plus 273, that is 400 Kelvin. Next is what is given to us? Sigma, that is Stephen's constant, and that value is given 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule per meter square per second per Kelvin raised to 4. So we want to find out the energy radiated in 1 minute by a black body. We have the formula. We have the formula for emissive power of the black body. Emissive power of the black body, that is sigma T raised to 4, and this emissive power is nothing but amount of energy radiated by the body upon area upon time is equal to sigma T raised to 4. So here is Q and sigma T raised to 4 into area into time. We'll just substitute the values. What is the value of sigma given to us? Okay, sorry. What is the value of sigma given to us? 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. Substitute that. 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 into time, that is 400. So 400 into, raised to 4. Area given to us is 200 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 2, that is 10 raised to minus 4. So that is 200 into 10 raised to minus 4 into the small time, that is 60 seconds. We'll just multiply things now. It is 5.7. We'll write it as it is into 4 times. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16, it is 256. So here it is 256, and here 2 zeros 4 times. That is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. 2 zeros are 4 times. Then it is 10 raised to minus 4 into 2 6 are 12, and this 1 0 2 0 and 3 zeros, that is 10 raised to 3. Hope you understood till here. Then 10 raised to minus 8, even we have this. So I'll show it to you once again. 5.7 as it is, 4 which we have multiplied 4 times, 256. Then the zeros, this 10 raised to minus 8 over here, 10 raised to minus 4 over here, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 3 3 zeros, that is 10 raised to 3. Now this 10 raised to minus 8 and this gets cancelled. Okay, now 10 raised to minus 4 and 10 raised to 3, this gets cancelled. So what remains with me? That is 10 raised to minus 4 and 3, that is 10 raised to minus 1 is remaining with us. So now we have 5.7, 256, 12 and 10 raised to minus 1. So that is, I'll write it over here, Q is equal to 5.7. If I want to make this 5.7 as 57, I'll have to write a 10 in the denominator. Then 256, then 12. Let this be as what? Wait. This is going a bit confusing. I'll use another page so that things become clear. Okay. So Q is equal to 5.7 into 256 into this 12 into 10 raised to minus 1. We'll multiply this. So 5.7 into 12. Instead of multiplying, we can go with log. Log of 5.7 plus log of 256 plus log of 12. So before point we just have one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0.57 का log देखेंगे, plus we have 3 digits, 3 minus 1 2 point इसका log देखेंगे, and plus again 2 digits, and we also have here 10 raised to minus 1, leave that. Then 2 digits, so 2 minus 1 1 1.12 का log देखेंगे and into 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, now let's see the log. Let's see the log. Log for 57, log for 57, 57, it is 7,559. So let me write there. It is 7,559. 57 का 0. Now यहाँ 25 का 6 देखेंगे. 25 का 6. Let's see 25 का 6. 25 का 6th one. It is 4082. So it is 4082. Then 12 का 0. For 12 का 0 it is 0792. 0792. We will add these 3 digits. Let's add these 3 digits. 0.7559 plus 2.4082 plus 1.0792. 1.0792. Let's add 9 and plus 4, that is 13. Then 9 plus 1, 10, 18. 18 plus 5 gives me 23. So 2 over here. 7 plus 5 is 12. 13, 14. And then it is 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this becomes 4. So it is anti-log of 4.2433 into 10 raised to minus 1. Yeah, we had this 10 raised to minus 1. Now, log of 2433. That is anti-log. We'll be seeing that. Wait. Okay, anti-log of 2433. That is anti-log of 2.2433. Yeah, this is for 3. And in this 3, it is 1750 plus 1. So that will be 1051. After one digit we'll put point, and into 10, since it is 4, so into 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to minus 1. So this will become 1.751 into 4 minus 1, that is 10 raised to 4 minus 1 is 3. Now if we shift the point, it will become 3 digits, 1 2 3. It will become 1751 joule. This is the amount of energy radiated. The question: calculate the energy radiated in 1 minute by a black body. So this is the amount of energy radiated by a black body, that is 1751 joule.